How do you listen to voice memos sent through WhatsApp on the Apple Watch? Let me talk about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it's not been the case for a long time, but now there is a dedicated and official WhatsApp application for the Apple Watch as well, right? For a very long time, we didn't have the option, but right now it is. So make sure you have it installed. Like go to the Watch app and see if it's available to be installed, or just get it from the App Store and update it to get the latest features. But then the application is most definitely going to appear on the Apple Watch, and the voice recordings and voice memos set for like sent over WhatsApp will be able to be accessed normally. Like you're going to be able to browse through the chat and click on the voice message. You'll be able to make it go full screen like that and just like play, pause, adjust the volume, and it's going to work well because it just like built in already to the actual Apple Watch. Because beforehand we only could work with the notifications being delivered to the Apple Watch through WhatsApp, which was fine or whatever, but it didn't really get the job done properly. So that is a crucial difference. So again, update your WhatsApp and get the app for the watch, which is a dedicated official one, and it's going to work out very well. So let me know what you think below. Let me know if you managed to find it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon in the next videos as well.